Okay. Oh, there we go. So, number one, don't look at my shirt. It's for a totally different project, not for what you're watching here. So, this is my accidental second attempt at trying to do this here, only because it started to rain really hard, really fast, just a few moments ago, and it's a little foggy out here. I might not need this here right now, but yeah, let's do this here. I have the bucket. This is the bucket that I was referencing to on the big video, 24-minute video. This is from the chemical guys. Now, what I'm holding in my hand here is tire treatment. Carl Five and I talked about getting some tire treatment, a tire shine. This is from Car Guys. I haven't opened this up, and I probably should, because I do need to put some shine on my car, the tires, but the problem is I don't want to waste this stuff here, and I know that eventually, before the end of the year, I'll probably get another set of tires. So the question is, should I wait, or should I go ahead and put this on? And as I shake this up here, I realize that this is, how many ounces? 16, 20, something like that. This is a large, 18 ounces. I'm good with my hands, so I can kind of feel the weight. This is 18 ounces, so I've got enough to do my car twice, maybe thrice. Not 100% sure on that. But this is something that I've got available that I'm gonna eventually put on my car. It's got an applicator and everything. But this bucket, before I get to the bucket, let's talk about what's in here. Randos. Absolute random stuff that I've purchased, not from Walmart, but from Amazon and other places, like NAPA, and I've bought it and I've just used it myself. This one right here smells purple. It's called Bare Bones. This is actually from the undercarriage of the car. Undercarriage protection. Basically, especially on electric vehicles, what you end up having is this felt-like material in the water well. Let's do it this way. This felt-like material in the water well. If that gets sticky and stinky, it'll start smelling through the car. So this was supposed to spray up under it, give it some shine. If it was more like a IBM ThinkPad skin, like a polyurethane skin or something like that, it'll make it look pretty, make it look shiny, but it also give it a nice smell that should penetrate through the car and make the car smell good. So that was the reason for having this here. This was used on the Mercedes. The Mercedes originally had a weird scent at first, but eventually I started making it smell like it was just leather on the inside, because I had a variety of leather cleaners for the car. Now, the next one is, I bought this here before I got rid of the Mercedes. I actually bought this here thinking I was going to use this here as the spray cleaner for my Mercedes. Take a look at this here. This is, again, from the chemical guys, not the Car Guys, like the first thing you saw. The cool part about this was, this is good stuff. I think I used it maybe once, and that was it. And then I got rid of the Mercedes. So that sucks for me, because my new car has fabric, but my wife's car has leather. And because of that, wife gets this here. Free for her. Yay! The next thing is going to be this. This was intentionally purchased for her, because if you are really watching my videos, like some people are, 250 people are constantly watching my videos, they will notice that sometimes I'll do a video inside of my wife's car, and her screen is like that freaking big. It's a big screen. So she's got a lot of plastic and everything going across, and this is good for the dashboard, the glass, leather, and also nav screen. So it's for a touch screen as well. So this is going to be really good for her car, and it won't actually mess up her screen. I'm very big on not messing up the screen, because I used to have a Sharp Wizard a long time ago, and I used some really horrible cleaners and just screw that whole device up. So again, that was purchased for her. Now, in the first video I made a few minutes ago, before the bad rain kicked in, I was saying, hey, I got this kit, and this right here is a spinner that came with the kit. This is supposed to spin around. Hang on, let me get closer. You put it on your drill bit right here. Is that metal? Ooh, that is metal. You put it on your drill bit. Oh my God, it's starting to rain again. And you'll be able to clean the inside of your car. It also comes with an empty bottle and a please don't start raining all over the place, a fabric cleaner. So this one, I think I can actually put this on the TikTok shop. I haven't used this yet, but from what I saw, it's supposed to be really, really good. It even has little, the bottle is universal. So you can put what you actually have in there. You can write on there. You can mark off certain things like flammable, bad for skin, don't drop this, poisonous. You can put all that stuff on there or check those boxes off. But yeah, that's a whole kit. I think I paid $20 for it, but it comes with 2 bottles and a brush. Now this is the nasty gooey stuff. Feels like chicken. This is for the dashboard and the other parts of the car. Oh, that's so sticky and nasty. To get it clean, this is supposed to be really, really cool. Put that to the side. I think we have a drizzle coming down now. We're gonna keep on going. We're just gonna do it live. We're gonna do it live. We're gonna actually open up this bucket here because I'm curious what's inside the bucket. The bucket actually says there's 11 things in here. So what do we get? Oh my God, we got another cleaner. The same one that I gave my wife. I got a second one of those. I've got one of those green poofy things to a car mitt. I got one of those. I got 2, 3 of these orange guys to clean stuff with. I don't know what this is, but I got that too. And I think I have chemical guy stickers. The rain is really starting to come down on me. And then we got the extreme body wash and wax. And we have the VRP, which is vinyl, plastic, and rubber protectant. I think that's it. No, there's one more. But wait, there's more. There's also wheel cleaner in here. So that's what you get inside of this bucket. And that is what I'm going to use to clean my car. It's supposed to be 11 essential things to clean your car. Like I said, I bought this here bucket from the guys before they put it out. I'm going to get out of this rain because I don't want my phone or my other stuff to start getting wet in a really bad way. I hope you enjoyed this here. It has been almost 8 minutes of us kicking back, chilling, and seeing what is in the bucket. And now we know what is in the bucket. Let me show you the UPC. There we go. That's the UPC on it. There's the other UPC, the universal UPC. And that's the end of this video here. If you don't want to get it off the TikTok shop. But I got to get out of this rain so you guys and gals and everybody else in between have fun.